a lot of friends I can see in the auditorium as well. And so as I was saying that the architect of this new initiative at Films Division, the person who has, is responsible for bringing us all together here week after week and for this festival, Mr. V.S. Kundu, who is the Director General of Films Division. It's my pleasure to invite him to say a few words and inaugurate the festival.
Worthy chief guest for today, Shri Shyam Benegal ji, our guest of honor, Shri Janu Barua ji, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen. With an open heart, I welcome you all to this festival of arts on film and on Bapu. I'm particularly grateful to our special guests for today, Shyam Benegal ji and Janu Barua ji, for sparing their really valuable time for being with us here today. And also for inspiring us with that very enthusiastic response to our request. I would like to share with the audience that Shyamji flew into Mumbai only yesterday and he has to fly out again tomorrow, and yet he has taken the time out to be with us today. Our heartfelt appreciation and gratitude, sir. A lot of people have been wondering why Films Division is celebrating Bapu's 143rd birthday in this manner. I mean, after all, Bapu was a very simple person. He lived a very stark life. He advocated simplicity. He claimed to know nothing about art. So a celebration of Bapu using the very glamorous medium of cinema is quite a far-fetched thing in a way. And my standard response so far has been that we want the memory and the message of Bapu to be refreshed in the minds of the audience. And it's a very cliched, a very Sarkari kind of a response. Yes. But it is also true. We do want to do that. We want to refresh the memory of Bapu and we want to refresh the message of Bapu in our minds. But we actually aim to do a lot more. We want to take you on a 5-day journey of intense engagement with Bapu at many levels and from many angles. We want to make you feel the fire of his passion, the outrageousness of his courage, the strength of his commitment, the mind-blowing proportion of his ambition, the anguish of his frustration, the burden of his sacrifice. We want you to feel it all with the intensity which is made possible only by the medium of cinema. Because cinema is the air we breathe in Films Division. It's our raison d'etre. It's the reason we are here. It's our business. For Films Division, this festival is an expression of our love for Bapu. This program is not one of our plan or non-plan schemes. There is no mandate from the government to do it. There is no budget for this program also. So we have chosen to do this out of our own will because we share a very long association with Bapu. Even now, the most cherished, most precious possession of Films Division, assets of Films Division, are those featuring Bapu and his associates. For the entire team of Films Division, organizing this festival has been like engaging in a labor of love for the last 1 month, and that is how we have chosen to bring this festival to you. Our love affair with Bapu began very long back. In 1948, when Films Division was born, was also the year that Bapu tragically left us, and ever since then we have been touched by associations of Bapu, memories of Bapu, footage of Bapu, pictures of Bapu, and a very, very lasting impression of Bapu in all the works of Films Division, in all our endeavors. Films Division owes so much to Bapu, and this is over and above what every Indian owes to the father of the nation. So what we want to share with you, and the real reason for holding this festival, is our amalgamated love for Bapu and for cinema. Films Division has always been a pillar of support for the growth and promotion of the art of cinema. I'm sure all of you have witnessed a new surge of energy and activity in this organization. We are working very hard to make our organization more responsive, transparent, more accessible both to cinephiles and to filmmakers. Simultaneously, we are also trying to update our technology, our processes for greater efficiency and effectiveness in achieving our aims. I will not take more of your time to go on elaborating the various steps that we are taking in that direction. I firmly believe I am echoing the sentiment and the sense of pride of every one of the 1,000-member family of Films Division in our work and our aims, and this festival is a testimonial to our renewed commitment to work earnestly for promotion of the art of cinema. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy this kaleidoscope of images and impressions of Bapu that we bring to you as intimate Bapu experience over the next 5 days. And I invite you all to join us in the celebration.